Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is going to be a vlog day in my life, kind of getting my shit together for the week. It is Monday, but I'm actually gonna go and buy some groceries. I'm so excited. I love Aldi. I love grocery shopping. I think it's so fun. I know people don't like grocery shopping and I'm weird for that maybe, but I love it. I sat down yesterday, I made a list of the meals I wanted to make, and then I made a list on my phone of everything that I wanted to get at the store. So this is like, she's nice, and that way I can just check it off as I go. I want to get that out the way before I go to the gym. This has been needing to get done. So I'm gonna go to Aldi. I'm gonna go get some groceries. I'll check back in and do a little haul for you guys when I get home. So I just left Aldi. They didn't have everything that I needed on my list for some of my dinners. So there's a Target nearby, any excuse to go to Target. So I'm going in there really fast to get the grocery items, and who knows, maybe I'll leave with some other unnecessary things. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of what I got before I put it all in the fridge. First I got spinach. I'm gonna try to get back on my like morning smoothie grind because I kind of lost it for a while. And then I got some bread. I'm gonna try to make tomato soup and grilled cheese, and I felt like that would be like fun and festive. And then I got eggs because I'm gonna try to make those breakfast sandwiches again. I have a reel on my Instagram of how to do that. So then I got English muffins as well. I got more oatmeal because I've been eating it every morning recently. I got lettuce. I'm gonna try to make like wraps and stuff for lunch. I just haven't been really eating lunch, so I've been trying to get stuff for that too. I got chicken stock and what is this? Chicken broth for the soup, and I'm making pot pie. Then I got a bunch of tomatoes that I'm gonna use to make the soup. I'm gonna make it from scratch. And then whipping cream and tortillas. And then I got milk. I don't drink milk, but this was required in some of the recipes, so I just tried to get like the smallest one I could find. And then I got pie crust for the chicken pot pie, butter for all this stuff. I got pineapple juice to put in my morning smoothies, so I'm gonna make them with like frozen pineapple, pineapple juice, and spinach. So hopefully that's good. Then I got Greek yogurt instead of sour cream because I saw something on TikTok where you can have the ranch seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. So you mix this with this and it makes it taste like a ranchy kind of sauce, but it's actually higher in protein because it's yogurt. So I figure I'll try it out for like my tacos and some of the other things that I had. Then I got cheese, and I got ground turkey that I'll use for my breakfast sandwiches. And then I got chicken thighs for chicken adobo and chicken breasts for the pot pie and another meal. So that was everything from Aldi. And then I got two things that were so unnecessary from Target, of course. Got these pajama pants for my mom because she liked the pattern. I remember when we were there, and I'm trying to like slowly get Christmas gifts without getting them all at once. So that's one gift, mini present for her. Tampon slay. And then I got an onion and a red onion. At Aldi, they only sell stuff in like bulk, and I don't need 5 onions. I just need one. I just need one. And then I got some corn, and then I got the mixed veggies that go in the pot pie, and then I got some brownies because love. And then this was my unnecessary purchase for myself. Hopefully it fits, we'll see. But it's like a little pajama set for Christmas, and I just had a feeling these would blow up on TikTok and be sold out, so I wanted to get it while it was there. But it's like really soft, and I'll still wear it year round. So it comes with socks, a top, and little shorts. So thought it was cute. But that's everything that I got. I was out a lot longer than I expected, so I'm gonna try to put everything away, make something for lunch, and then get ready to go to the gym. Okay, so I am heading to the gym. I got ready faster than usual. It's like 1:30, so I don't usually go at this time. I'm hoping it's not busy. I'm also filming a week of workouts video today, so it's gonna like be a little longer of a workout for me to get all the angles and everything. I'm not gonna include like a voiceover of today's workout in this because it's gonna be in that week of workouts video, but I'll still put some clips of me working out and touch base with you guys afterward. And yeah, it's a pretty fall day. I'm loving my copper set, and I'm just excited to get a workout in, start the week off strong. I have groceries now I just feel more put together than I was feeling in the past few weeks. So let's go get this workout in. Hi guys, that was literally one of the hardest workouts I've put myself through in a really long time. Felt really good, but I'm literally dying. Really glad that I came to the gym though. I was kind of in like a bad, sad, not great mood. I know my period's coming this week, so that sucks, but I'm glad I got it done. I'm gonna head home and then I actually want to show you guys some packages, so I'll do that when I get home. Okay, I'm gonna unbox the new Oner'S stuff that I got in the mail. It was shipped here, so it got here a while ago, but I wasn't here to like unbox it and stuff. A few of you guys asked me if I would review the birthday collection. I'm not gonna do like a whole video dedicated to it just because there's no way for you guys to buy it, so I wouldn't want to review something you guys can't go and buy anymore. There's still like limited stock, but not enough for what I feel to make like a whole review video, but I'll make this little part of this video a review of it because all of these pieces likely are going to come back in new colors, maybe restock in these colors, so this can be helpful for you guys on those restocks and newer shades, and then I'll do like full review videos of the newer pieces in a future video, if that makes sense. So yeah, the birthday collection was limited edition, so the colors that were in it technically aren't coming back, but if you guys really liked them and request for them to come back, I'm sure they would bring them back. They kind of mentioned that they would, so definitely if there's one that you like love, make sure you make it known, and I'm sure that they might do like a restock. I got as much as I could. I actually bought some stuff myself and then they sent me some stuff. We weren't sent like the whole collection, so I don't have some pieces too, but all of the pieces pretty much are the same with some differences, so I kind of want to run through the differences because I feel like that's what's going to be most helpful for you as like a shopper moving forward, especially when shopping effortless. Okay, I'm going to start off with the bras. The bra that I'm wearing right now, these are like my favorite new addition to Oner because I feel like it was what they were missing in regards to like a sports bra. I know a lot of people just wanted something that was lower support and just less high neck, less frills, just like very simple, easy to put on. And I really like that in the back it also has like a crisscross feature that you can do or undo, has adjustable straps, so it just is like a really nice stable bra. Definitely keeps you in while still being lower coverage. They came out in all of these colors, so I have them all now and I really like this. It's like my new favorite Oner bra, so hopefully they bring all of the colors into this style over time. But overall it is obviously cute and small. I would say it's still true to size. You can kind of manipulate how tight it is with the straps here. The material is still thick and high quality. The bra cups are really high quality as well, and they have this center lining still so that the cups don't get moved around in the washing machine. And I just like that it's really simple. Like the only design is this here along with the ruching, very similar to the design of the leggings, so it's all very cohesive. But this is it in slate blue. I do really like this blue, but I do feel like Oner has a lot of blues, but I definitely love the red. I'm actually gonna go shoot content pictures later in the red, trying to get like a new profile picture moment, so I'm excited about this. It's called Spicy Red. This color really surprised me how much I liked it. I believe this is called Warm Sand, but it's just super cute. It's kind of a nice neutral shade, especially for fall, and I thought it looked really good mixed and match with deep taupe. So yeah, and then I'm wearing Warm Copper. I wore this for the event. I wore this one quite a bit. Honestly, don't have any negative things to say about them. If you're between sizes, maybe size up, but overall I feel like they're true to size and very nice, and I just like that they listened to feedback and came out with a bra that was lower support. Next up, I'll talk you guys through the cycling shorts. I think I only have the short shorts in blue. I didn't get the short shorts in any of the other shades, but here they are in the slate blue, and then here they are in the spicy red, and then I wore them for my workout today in the copper, and then here they are in the leggings. So I guess I wanted to talk to you guys about the change in the effortless collection, just because moving forward this is what it'll be for all the new colors. So they kind of changed their design and they made a different material for the leggings. So these leggings, everyone that I know that ordered from effortless has told told me that they like it a lot better, a lot softer, a lot more stretchy, and a lot more true to size, which was their goal, because a lot of people obviously with Effortless were having to size up 1 to 2 sizes just because of the compression, and so they're working to make it as true to size as possible. So they changed the material. So the material is way stretchier, super soft, like my favorite kind of material. Really just like molds to the body. You can just see it has a lot more give. The waistbands are less compressive. I feel like the waist had a lot of resistance, and so sometimes they were like snatching you in, but like too much. So I feel like all the changes that were made were really positive with this collection, and I actually noticed I could size back down to a small because I've always been a small in activewear, and then in Effortless and Classic I've had to size up to medium. So they're making it more true to size. So I would say if you were a medium and had to size up to a medium, that you could size back down to your normal size, but otherwise everything is the same. That same scrunch, the same Effortless detail here, and then the only other difference is that the logo is only at the bottom here because now it is a sewn in and engineered logo as opposed to a press-on, because a lot of people's press-ons were coming off and stuff, so they just wanted to have a sewn in option so that it'll always keep the Oner'S logo, and with doing that they couldn't put it up here anymore, so that's why there's no logo up here. Something to do with the design process. I'm not really an expert on that. Quickly, I'll talk you guys through the comfort stuff and the classic lounge comfort stuff. Nothing really changed with this. It's all basically the same. Super cute. It just has the birthday design on it, but it is the same silhouette as the typical classic hoodies, which are my favorite. They're just so soft and perfect for the fall and winter time. And then the comfort bottoms, super cute, but again, same as before. Like I didn't notice any differences, and again, I just really like their comfort stuff because it all has zippers. It's just very high quality. The fleece on the inside stays fleecy even after washing it, so no complaints here. This sold out really fast, so I understand why. And then I'm a big fan of the comfort bralettes, but this bottom band here, they received a lot of feedback that it was too tight, which I definitely understand why some people said that, because it was definitely like harder to put on. So they did make that fix, and this is a lot less restrictive to put on, so you can probably stick true to size with these moving forward. And then I love the little jacket. The jacket is so cute. We were calling it the BBL effect jacket. It's like a cute silhouette where it like snatches you in a little bit at the bottom, and I was wearing it a ton in London, all the time at London, honestly. And it's just really nice because it's like a zip up, but it's still cropped, and it's kind of more bat wingy, so it's more slouchy, which I think a lot of people were looking for. That's basically the rundown on everything. And if you guys have more specific questions, you can always message me, but like I mentioned, moving forward for the new launches, the material of the leggings and everything is going to be more true to size, more stretchy, this better material, but everything from the previous collections and colors I believe are staying in the same material until it sells out to lose the waste factor, obviously. Yeah, that was kind of longer than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. That's basically what I wanted to run through because you guys did kind of ask that I do that on YouTube. I'm gonna chill for a little bit and get ready, and then my roommate and I are gonna go take the content photos, and then I need to get gas, and then I'm gonna make dinner. So nothing really that exciting, but I'll take you guys along for whatever I do next. Where are we going?
We're going to the birthday party garage.
We're gonna get this done as fast as we can.
Oh!
Yeah, there's things I want. I was behind the bus and I was like, yeah. Anyways, is there anything you want to hear on the way there? Let's listen to, yeah.
I want to hear that, actually. Oh. Then we can go to something else, maybe. Honestly, this is
It won't take that long.
It's like almost giving fall, but it's giving summer because I heard it in summer. But it's kind of giving fall.
It reminds me of Slayesta.
My hair looks so bad in a bun because I just have too much hair and like...
No, it doesn't. You need to put your front strand. That's what's missing.
No, it's not. That's not what's missing. It's this big lump on the top.
Anyways, we're going to shoot some photos because I want a new profile photo in this Slay spicy red moment. And then we're going to come back here and we're going to bachelor and paradise it up with a side of dinner.
And a side of sorbet.
See, this works well though. It doesn't like, remember when my camera would go flying?
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah. Oh. Well, that's what I bought it for. It's not what it's for. Oh. But the fall foliage here is in full effect.
Except it's kind of going too fast. Like there's starting to be some bare branches, and I'm like,
no bear.
Whoa.
No bear.
My emotions playing with my emotions. You're too busy dancing in the club to our songs. Turned up on my phone, playing with my emotions, 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 playing with my. You get in my bed, you twist up my head. I'm changing for you, changing for you. You get in my bed, you twist up my head. I'm changing for you, changing for you. You lie with the lie, you lie.
we're done.
I'm like-
what am I gonna do without my photographer?
I don't
you
know.
move
We're gonna
away
just
to
have
Florida.
to have like content reunion.
I'm gonna put the tripod back out, and that's not slay.
Well,
We
sometimes
have
it's
a
not
big
hard
decision to make: Starbucks
or not.
or home with no Starbucks.
Starbucks
And the
is
choice
just, like,
feels really clear. Because another thing that we actually have to put in the equation now is Delta Sky Miles. No Delta Sky Miles.
Delta Sky Miles or basic section.
Boarding group 8.
Or they steal your bag.
Boarding group, no window.
No window.
I don't know, I'm down. Look, I just got 40 bonus stars.
Why? I don't have
It says keep going to earn 75.
Yeah, you should.
I'll keep going.
Okay, since you told me to, I just
Mommy, they told me to.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the birthday cake pop. That's like my favorite thing ever. Except it's literally $5 for like a bite.
Every time I take the gas out of the nozzle out of the thing, it goes like everywhere. And I'm like,
Wait, what?
like that shit just leaked all over.
Oh, you know what I do? I bang it against the
No.
inside. I like pull it out a little and then I like bang it on the sides a little.
And then do you want a straw for the frappuccino?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
There you go. Y'all have a good night.
Oh, and I think she got a cake pop.
Oh my gosh.
It's supposed to be mocha. I'm gonna ask. I feel so bad. Oh, I don't want to do that.
There you go. I'm so sorry about
No,
that.
you're
Y'all
fine.
have a good night.
Also, I just have a question. Was this a mocha? It just looks lighter than it like usually does. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can just like blend it in or whatever.
Here, I'll give you that. You can
Oh,
just keep that one.
thank you
and
so
then we'll
much.
make a new one.
Thank you. I hate doing that, but it was not the right color.
What else goes in it?
That looked like the espresso one you got.
Yeah,
it doesn't
it
taste
looked just
bad.
like that. I was like, did you get my drink?
It doesn't taste bad. It just tastes different.
They accidentally gave her. I'm actually unsure what happened.
So my drink requires mocha and toffee nut. So in the first drink, they gave me just toffee nut, and in the second
You
drink,
can see the color difference.
they gave me
It's
just
still inside.
mocha. But the cold foam's right. So it's giving
So we have all the ingredients.
barista at home.
Yeah, it was like a
Barista
2-for-1 special. Honestly, it was like size Trenta.
Yeah. I think it's gonna turn out okay. So I think I pour this in.
Maybe pour half and then half and then half and
Oh,
half.
big kaplow.
And then we'll just like go like this. Then we'll go back and forth.
But this
back and
is
forth,
too big,
back and
it's not
forth.
gonna-
And then it's gonna be blended.
But this is not gonna fit in here.
Mix it up.
Oh my god.
Maybe do it over the sink.
This looks like vomit. Okay, I think what we should do is get a big spoon. Or a knife. What's going on?
I'm just doing a little mix.
What's happening? It's getting to be the right color. Oh!
It's working so well though.
Mix it all together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. Do you know that girl and her name is like Gibbs?
Yeah, I do know her.
She is
She
so
needs a little.
freaking funny. I think we had a lot of spillage. Okay, that was awesome. Thanks for watching. So we're gonna watch The Bachelor in Paradise right now. So it's literally 9 p.m., but I needed to make dinner, so I'm gonna make some chicken adobo. Luckily, that's really fast and easy to make. So you just take chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, and put them in with vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and usually I put bay leaves, but I didn't have any, and sometimes you can put peppercorn as well, but I don't like that, so that's what you do for this. And then I'm just making some rice to go with it, and I'm prepping enough to have some for today and then some for not the rice cooker, making it cloudy, lunch tomorrow.
The piece of me dies inside out. I pray so much I can take. I'm here for the ride. Your pride might be the reason why.
My room literally looks like a zoo. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna fold my laundry and then take a shower afterwards. And then that's probably gonna conclude the vlog for today. So I'll just say goodbye now and have the outro of me doing all that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You get in my bed. You twist on my head. I'm changing for you. Changing for you. You get in my bed. You twist on my head. I'm changing for you. Changing for you. You lie with a lie. You lie and you piece of me dies inside out. I break so much I can take. I'm here for the ride. Your pride might be the reason why we don't even make it to see the loving